to examine how cinematography and lighting function as primary cinematic tools for constructing mood and visual emotion. You will explore how camera movement, framing, angles, and lighting setups act as a psychological and aesthetic language, shaping the viewer's perception, guiding emotional responses, and reinforcing thematic and narrative elements. Understanding cinematography. Beyond camera mechanics. Cinematography is not just about recording images, it is the art of visual storytelling, the lens through which a viewer experiences the film world. The cinematographer, director of photography, or DP, makes strategic decisions that impact the mood, tone, rhythm, and emotional direction of a scene. A. Key components of cinematography that affect mood. Camera angles and positioning. High angle, makes subjects appear weak or vulnerable. Low angle conveys dominance, power, or intimidation. Eye level, neutral, humanistic view. Dutch tilt creates unease, disorientation. Camera movement. Tracking shots, sense of continuity, fluidity, or immersion. Handheld shots, rawness, anxiety, documentary realism. Static frames, calmness, contemplation, emotional distance. Crane or aerial shots, grandeur, isolation, God's eye view. Shot size. Extreme, close-up, heightened intimacy or tension. Close-up, emotional intensity. Medium shot, balanced interaction and context. Wide shot, atmosphere, loneliness, spatial orientation. Extreme wide shot, vulnerability, insignificance, epic mood. Lens choices, wide-angle lenses, distortion, depth, vulnerability. Telephoto lenses, emotional compression, voyeurism. Shallow focus, isolation, intimacy, subjectivity. Deep focus, objectivity, complexity of space. Second, lighting design as a mood generator. Lighting is cinema's emotional paintbrush. Light sculpts reality, shapes perception, and conjures emotional textures. Whether harsh or soft, saturated or shadowy, light design is a crucial determinant of cinematic mood. A. Types of lighting. High-key lighting. Bright, even illumination. Low contrast, soft shadows. Associated with comedy, musicals, or romantic optimism. Low-key lighting. Strong contrast, deep shadows. Used in horror, noir, thrillers to evoke fear, mystery, or tension. Natural lighting, available light, realistic mood, grounded and immersive, evokes neorealism, verite aesthetics, motivated lighting. Light source is visible or implied in the scene, e.g., a lamp or window, helps anchor the lighting in realism while directing mood. Expressionistic or stylized lighting, color gels, artificial hues, backlight halos, creates heightened reality or psychological expression, e.g., Suspiria. Light and camera, darkness, unknown, grief, secrecy. Backlight silhouettes, mystery, spirituality, loneliness. Soft focus, memory, dream, longing. Lens flares, magic, awe, fantasy. Blurred foreground, emotional claustrophobia, confusion. Framing through windows, mirrors, isolation, reflection, duality. Case studies. Cinematography plus mood in action. Blade Runner 2049, Roger Deakins. Orange fog, harsh shadows, deep focus. Evokes dystopia, existential alienation. Roma, Alfonso Cuarón. Monochrome, long takes, wide-angle lenses. Conjure memory, melancholy, reverence. Moonlight, James Laxton. Colored gels, intimate close-ups, reflective surfaces. Vulnerability, tenderness. The Shining, John Alcott. Steadicam tracking shots plus cold lighting. Psychological terror, inescapable dread. Exercises and practical work lighting. Mood tests. Light a neutral scene in 3 different styles: high-key, low-key, and stylized. Observe how the mood shifts with no change in dialogue or action. Scene recreation. Dot. Recreate a known film scene using a different lens, lighting setup, or shot size. Reflect on how these changes affect the mood. Key terms introduced. Blocking color temperature. Dutch tilt. Overexposure, underexposure. Shadow mapping. Motivated versus unmotivated lighting. Rack focus. Rembrandt lighting. Shutter angle. Discussion questions. Can mood exist in a scene without visible characters if the cinematography and lighting are carefully designed? How does shallow focus change our psychological connection with a character? Is natural lighting always emotionally neutral, or can it be stylized? Can framing alone without movement or lighting convey mood? How can lighting be used to depict emotional contradictions within a single shot? Cinematic mood board. Collect stills, demonstrating different emotional tones based on cinematography lighting. Label and explain emotional effects. Psychological framing. Frame a shot where the character's position in the composition symbolizes mood, e.g. off-center equal to imbalance. Color temperature and emotional response. Warm light, orange gold. Comfort, nostalgia, love. Cool light, blue, green. Dot. Alienation, sadness, fear. Mixed lighting. Dot. Emotional conflict, instability. Flickering or broken light. Period. Chaos, instability, danger. Hope you join Earth Tab Business School in the next module. I look forward to congratulating you upon the completion of this course.